Huwag mahihiyang magtanong, mathematics ba ito? Mathematics ba ito? Pag may kailangang isolve, huwag mahiyang magtanong kung may solution ba nito. Welcome to Nature of Mathematics. Let's study pattern and structure in our world. Types of pattern in our nature. Hey, symmetry, trees, fractals, spirals, meanders, waves, bubbles, foam, tessellations, cracks, spots, and stripes. Hey! Patterns and numbers in nature and the world. We see pattern that is amazing and beautiful, that recognize math, to learn and acquire new knowledge. Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where a number is found by adding up two numbers. Leonardo Pisa, named after Fibonacci.
Math's never easy to tell. We study and know it well. Let's learn it, it's no big deal. And now it's in my mind. Patterns we see on the trees, meanders, spirals, and the waves. Math will help you learn about this. It's really useful in many ways. Sometimes you trouble patterns, behavior, and numbers. Fractal is spots and forms. Let's learn it together, baby.
Mathematics in the modern world, it shapes the world that we have today. As it reveals pattern in nature, life is orderly, amazing to see. I know you asked how much works today. Just number, no, it's everywhere. It helps to predict future, better life it gives. Thanks mathematics. In forensic team, economics, archaeology, in our cooking, daily devices manifest itself wherever we look.
A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view, pairs and formation of number, symmetry, fractal, spiral, wave, and ratio in a golden intent. Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, equations like the Pythagorean algorithms and Newton's law of gravity.
Come enjoy our mathematics class. Surely you will enjoy being here with us. Looking for the pattern and the wings of a art, and then all being learned in easy way. Symmetry, spiral, and meander. It is included in nature and pattern. In the leaves of a tree and the sounds of the wave, there is a pattern that you will see. We are the tribe for infinite, doing photography in our nature and everywhere. I'm surprised what I found, all the members was one. We are the tribe for infinite.
Mathematics ba ito?
It's really useful in many ways. Sometimes you trouble patterns, behavior.
Mathematics in the modern world, it shapes the world that we have today. As it reveals pattern in nature, life is orderly, amazing to see.
Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, equations.
I'm surprised what I found, all the members was one. We are the tribe for infinite.